Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to lock Google Chrome with a password so nobody can use your browser without permission. The best part, it's quick, simple and work great for privacy. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser, Chrome browser, and visit Chrome Web Store. Now you will search for browser lock and the first one. Here you will see 7.1,7100 ratings, 4.7 star. You can click add to Chrome. I already have installed it. Then mark as pin. Now open this extension, open settings, log in with your email address with your name. Now you will see, click on browser lock, and also you will see the browser locks run in the background. Click on yes. Start state restored with history. Also you can choose this, like your browser will be placed a 1 minute after 5 attempts. You can change the duration from there. Also you can change the how many incorrect attempts should trigger, like 5 for wrong attempts, and when all the 5 attempts placed wrong, then clear history. Also if you want to instantly lock, you can press Ctrl plus M to lock. Now click on apply changes. You can set password according to you, like change password. Now we are close this tab. Again we are opening the tab. Here you will see it will asking for password. Here you will see it will successfully logged in. When we press Ctrl plus M, you will see it will also logged. If you type wrong password and click on login, here you will see wrong password. Also you can change the settings from the extension, and that's how you can lock Chrome with a password in just few clicks. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below which Chrome trick you want to see next. Thanks for watching.